وكنا سيان للمسلمين جميعهم بإرشادهم للحق عند خفائهم
Afusa, hey, don't tell me because of fasting. That's why you are so dull. You are finding yourself. I don't understand.
Recently, you see this year fasting. It's doing me gri. I'm about to faint. And you, self, look at what you wear inside this Ramadan. Eh? Are you planning to jam people out? And as for me, no richest weapon fashioned against me shall prosper. Carry your nakedness and wakago.
Ah, what do you mean? Do you want to insult me before? Let me cause I don't mind my business and go where they go.
Exactly. Oh no, my.
Welcome, Alaja. Salam alaikum. How is everything? How is work? How is fasting? Hope you are fine. Welcome. Alaikum salam. Welcome. Be careful there, oh.
That's a prank.
Afusa be lie. Afusa, inside this Ramadan period, you are outside here eating. What are you trying to do? Hey, you want to disappear? At least, they see me. In fact, let me snap you. So I'll go and show Afa no Jim and Alaja what you are doing outside here. Because of what? Because I'm eating. Hey, do your worst now. If you don't see me, you don't see me. That's your family problem. And you still have the guts to continue eating, right? Can Afusa ever change?